Well, I have this so far, but now what I'm gonna be continuing is where I left off. I haven't even looked at my code, but what I remember that I needed is hold up, let's bring it over here. What I remember that I needed to do is like somewhere along the way, it was working, but not how I wanted it to. So I'm gonna try to focus up because I'm getting like object right now when I was getting um like the actual names of the product. But what I did was I ended up taking this because I need to interact. Oh, thank you. Thank you. And I was thinking about that too. Um okay, not to get sidetracked. But I'm probably gonna change my like social media names probably. Because like what I do isn't really centered around coding. So like if I ever was to post anything, it probably wouldn't it would be coding adjacent. But like I can't I can, but I don't really want to post like solely coding content. It wouldn't be beneficial and it would be like out of the way from like my regular like daily life. So like I really like coding. Coding is cool. I'm never going to stop coding. But to call myself this name, I don't know. It's not really accurate, but I'll say that much. I'll say that much. I don't know when I'm changing, but I'm probably going to change pretty soon. So, yeah. But what I need to do is look at my console, get these. Where's the 88 coming from? There's only one. Oh, okay. So it is doing the right thing. I just need to figure out how to go through this thing. Uh-oh. Clotting, contemplating. Actually, um, it's going to be I need to like figure out because they took this away. I wonder how much like mods cost. Um, I actually already have it set up. Like I already have another YouTube channel that's named what I want, but I might as well start on like my current Twitch and YouTube channel, just change the names. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a professional streamer, so I don't know. But because like spammers come in here and like bots come in here and do stuff like that. And it's like really distracting to try to have to like do all that every single time. So, um, yeah. Oh, that's how it works? Oh, I thought they like got paid and stuff. Oh, oh, well, never mind. Let me focus on figuring available products is wait. From products? No, from product is that. from product. I want the default because this is the same thing. But option, oops, what did that say? No, well, er, is that the thing? Current product, selected line, dot current product. Okay. What does that look like? Okay. Selected line is get lines, get lines, get lines, get lines. So equals that new. What I want. Oh, never mind. Uh, what this would be, let me minimize that. What this would be, this is just a name. So like, instead of that, why is that? I hate to do it, but right now this is gonna have a type of any. Yes. Whoa, that's not cool. So let me look at what this says. This is really going to be a boring stream. I'm sorry. Does this also listen? It listens. Wait, no, it doesn't. Oh my gosh, I love this song. I love this song so much. I'm gonna get back to posting like my playlists whenever I stream. I'm gonna get back to that. But so for here, it's tracking that, but I don't think that is it may actually be doing it because this is coming from 100 online change. Okay. Can I? Oh, I think what I need to do is take this and put it right here. Do that. New line. New line's gonna be a string. So this, goodness. Oh, they don't make music like this anymore. So, um, where do I really? Huh? Did I fix it? Now I'm confused. Not that. That's so weird. Huh? What just happened? So on change, it fixes itself. So I just need to get the initial state to be good. Huh. Get lines. The first thing that happens is set lines to that where it says all the. Oh, I need that too. I need the same thing I did right here. I need I need a new pair of pants. All right. So that's what I do. Onload. The object is going to be that. Set lines to lines. But why would. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes. What does that look like? Nothing. Okay. What does that do? Never mind. So on a net get lines, and I want to set this selected line to that. So the selected line in question should like mm, mm, the heck just happened? What is that doing? Oh, whoa, whoa, not that, not that. My goodness. I haven't heard the song before. Also, I'll say this. This is going to be a long and boring stream. I'm probably going to be coding all night. I don't know. So, I think I have confused myself. Truly, I need to comment this out because it's only distracting me from what I need to really get done. That should have a default, and I don't know why that's showing up as blank because all the lines are there. Because I could just do something like this, like option, and then do like a, and then select a line, do something like that. Why is that not doing anything? Whoa, 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 whoa. NG model selected line, selected line, selected line. It's really not doing anything. Huh. Because that's that. So if I put F1 right here. What? Really? Hmm. That doesn't work. Do what? Wait, what did I say? I forgot. Oh, I will. Probably will. Because I want to get this done. Probably will. There's going to be a whole lot of trial and error, but I need to lock in order for me to make some type of progress. Which, so far this stream, I have actually done the opposite. I have now commented things out and gone backwards. Um, this because I don't think I've already searched it in the docs, and I don't think, uh, no, same. Honestly, I've I've been doing the same thing for about 6, no, 8, about 8. So I understand. I understand. And I'm doing an all-nighter as punishment. No, no. It's not in here. How? Uh, but I need to study data structures and algorithms. I mean, let me ask you this. What's two things? What's stopping you? And do you want to be good or do you want to be great? Two things. Also, if you answered nothing to the first one and you're okay with being good, all good. All good. But if you actually want to get better and make a difference and not have to like worry about like, dang, I wish I knew data structures and algorithms, or like constantly be looking at the same problem for the next however long, just go ahead and bite the bullet. Just get it done. Just get it done. But I don't want to hard code them. Same. I relate. I relate. I don't know. It's at a certain point you have to realize that like it's more fun in life to just be a problem solver. And because you still have like sovereignty to like figure out, like to choose your own problems, make the problem solving process fun for yourself. I think that's the cheat code. To be self sufficient enough to dictate your own problems and then make the problem solving process fun so that it's just like an ever like flowing loop of just like, all right, a problem is made, let's make it fun, and then like start the process of just self improvement in the most enjoyable way. Well, for job interviews, I think it's more or less knowing enough up front, but then as far as like on the spot problem solving, have the interviewer be your chat GPT or be the interviewer be your Google. Like bounce ideas off of them and they're there to help you. Like have them guide you through the problem solving process, but have the tools already in your brain to solve said or any problem coding wise. I think that's the cheat code. So in my component, have these options be that, right? So like, mm, I think that's where I'm going wrong. Set these lines to that, I think. Set these lines to that. What's being returned? So if I just do this, what happens? Nothing. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So that doesn't do anything? What the heck? What the heck? That still works. Yep, it still works. So they're here. I just can't get this to be right. Wait a minute. Wait. Get lines. I need that to do that. Okay. So the selected line is that. So from there, I need. Does that work? No. Track the line. Or, hmm, let's go back. Mm, what is my fine? But the problem I'm having is whenever I first load the page. It may be a CSS thing because whenever I changed the ID, it was the same size as if an ID was there. Is being set to that in the construct. The issue is that selected line is being set to that in the constructor. Line 50. It was doing that before it did that. And get lines at line 69. Nice. Okay. But the HTML template is expecting line ID as the value while you're assigning the entire line. Mm, what I want to do. Mm, only show. Oh, and the constructor right here. Oh, sorry. And the constructor right here, line 50, is doing that, but also I'm doing that right here too. You need to change the HTML tip to use a line object. Let's see what it does. But ng value, the line. So the value is the line. That's weird. And it only gave me option one. Mm, you want to keep the, but just show the name. The issue is, all right, cool. I'm trusting you. Eh, now the HTML uses ng value line. So it expects the entire line value. The issue in your TypeScript is that you're doing that in constructor while lines is still empty. You need to set it only after. Cool. But the thing is, do I need to use a signal to make it more reactive? Now update the get lines to properly. Sure. What my terminal like clean, clean. This isn't doing it. On load. This is happening at 48. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Um, how are I'm doing great. I have a lot of coffee in my system right now. But how are you? And thank you for the follow. Sorry, my follow notifications are broken. So I don't have any fancy um like notifications or anything. So that's my bad. And I don't know how to fix them. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Dang, the followers just rolling in. uh Oh, I don't play games on stream. I'm sorry. I mainly just code on stream. I'm sorry. This isn't I'm not a gaming streamer. Super fine. Super fine. Which game is harder? VS Code or Dark Souls? The initial value of this. I don't think I'm doing this right. Would that be an error? Um, it's okay, I guess. Is I'm kind of stuck. Kind of stuck. So, yeah. Yeah. Whenever I load in, this is empty. But how would I? Hmm. Whenever I load in, selected line is empty. But how would what I read from my would I make the more reactive to show? Oh, I'm from Texas, Houston to be exact. Yes, about 3 o'clock where I am right now, so it's pretty late. It's pretty late, pretty late. Nice to meet you as well. I don't want to, be too intrusive. Sure, I'm trusting you. Sure. The heck just happened? Oh, thank you. But I'm not really in the market right now, but thank you. Thank you. So basically just making this into the heck is that? What the heck is this? Rare L from this artist. What the heck is this? I don't think I like this, but we will roll with it. Probably not right now, but thank you. It's not doing what it needs to do. Actually, wait, it might be doing what it needs to do. Let's try this. It did it. It's just, oh, I hate that. I hate that so much. So it's probably doing it all along. And then whenever I change to here, selected line, yes. Okay. Okay. So now let's just try the simple that. Selected line. That. Oh. Oh. Name. No. Name. No. Uh. Current product. Oh gosh. How would I? You know what? I'm not doing that. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. So for here, I have this solved. I have it set up. Cool. All the products set to that. I have about 10 of them. In my 93, what's here? Available products. Available products. So in here, I probably could just say name. What is it called? Yeah. What's the, what's the, is that not how? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Is that not how I would call it? The heck? What the heck? I don't know what this just did. I'm gonna delete this. So each product, it's suggesting this. Is it because oh, wait. Huh? Let's see if this works. Just killing it and reviving it. Nope. So it's doing the same thing. That's not even a from product, is it? It is, what it isn't. NG model from product is the name. It is that. Let's try to kill it again. Start it. I don't like this. It just took a crazy turn. Please, help. Get it for me, please. Okay. So I may have to change. How did that change that? It made that into a signal. Any no equals signal. Does that work? Wait, is going on. Just take that off of there. Jeez. No. Eh, okay. So that is not how you do that. Into a signal. Sure. Didn't I just do that? Hmm. So really just making it into a variable. Oh. And then at the end of that, set that to that. Oh, what's wrong? Huh. For any of my products. That's now a signal. So track the products. Okay. I'm gonna have to kill it every time. Uh-oh. Hmm. But if I do that, it does it. And here, this is the available products. Hmm. How did I describe that? Because it fixing the top. But how did I describe it last time? Whenever I load the page, the select isn't showing. Once the drop down. We can try that. Is that you need to make reactive so it updates? Oh, let's try to do that by hand. Let's try. Change that. No. What? That works? Yes. Yes. Hmm. Okay, so down here, change, set it. I don't. What? That's not right. Is that right? I don't think that's right. Let me try to kill it just to check. Never mind. Claude. Mm, I forgot that line. Okay. Okay. I need to get in the habit of like whenever it's a signal, put the parentheses at the end of it. Okay. Kill it. Revive. Mm, never mind. Still not doing it. I saw it. Mm-mm. I hate that it's like some really small detail like this. Hmm. Oops. The part that sucks is that I'm getting everything that I need to get. I'm just not able to like show it because yeah, 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 yep. All of this works, but it's just not showing up. This is the weirdest thing ever. Can I do that even though it's called above that? Dang it. Mm-mm. Hmm. That's weird. I'm trying to compare it to see why it's behaving differently, but I cannot find this. What's the difference? I'm just trying anything right now. Oh, don't know what it did. Hold up. Sorry, hold up. The heck? Okay, I think we're back. Mm. 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 Mm-mm. So I have to. Wait a minute. Basically, find the product. Found it. That was kind of frustrating, but I found it. Mm-mm. Okay, that felt good. That felt good. Hmm. And with that said, I'm getting some more coffee. I'm going to accept your challenge. I'm going to be coding all night, but I think I need more coffee. I'll be back. Like shortly. I'll be right back. I'm still here, but I'll be right back. All right. What? Okay, I'm back, kind of. But I need to figure out what's actually being submitted because this isn't a form just yet.
Oh, you're going to sleep? I understand. I understand. This is a boring stream. I understand. I suck.
Yeah, he was the one that said, "Are you new, Captain?" What have I done? Hmm. Wait. Are you back?
Mm. See that. Why would you do that? New line. What? Why would you do that? 138. Ah, crap. Let's try this. And it's still not working. Now both of them don't work. Hmm. Wait a minute. Wait, whoa. Okay, wait. Whoa. Mhm. Uh, I'm trying to figure out what kind of attitude you're asking about. I think you're optimistic and I guess like aware of the tech stack, which is good, but like I think you're knowledgeable of what's going on. It's just a matter of like, you know, knowing all of the tech stack like the back of your hand. I don't know if this is like a good answer or anything, but yeah, time to get your hands dirty, basically. Mm, is this even possible? It's like, mm, yeah, it was really hard to like understand, but I think that's what it is. But it sounds like it's just time to get your hands dirty with the tech stack. I've never actually heard of Tamagui. Never heard of it before. Does it exist? There's a library for everything. Um, Why can't I? Hmm. I don't really deal with low code platforms, so to me, I'm a low code, low IQ platform. Mm. Oh, you think this is an advanced stream? What? Oh no. This isn't. Hmm? Don't doubt yourself. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just don't take any shortcuts. That's basically that's basically the advice that I have is don't take any shortcuts. Have fun with it. Um and just learn the tech like the tech stack is king, really. Data is king and the tech stack that you use is king. So like just learn that tech stack and you'll be fine. Yeah, I concur. Hmm? Hmm. Yeah, that one. Thank you, me too. Is that gonna break anything? It breaks things. Oh gosh. Mm. Okay. 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 Yes, it's TypeScript, but this is more or less like um a project for my like full-time job to help me with like training people, teaching people stuff, tracking data, uh, streamlining processes and stuff like that. So, yeah. Yeah. And I think like what makes really, really, really good programmers is like the ab- the motivation to constantly be learning, even if it's like stuff that's not even particularly required for your job. It could be required in the future for your job before another job that you're seeking. I wonder if you'll understand what I'm talking about. Mm. Mm. Yeah. You'll be fine. Like I said, you'll be fine. Mm. So much of like software can be applied to like just life. And I think that's why I like software so much is that it's kind of like really reflective of like life. So I think this is like a good starting point now. It's crazy. Like, okay, it's weird how, yes, we can all make that observation, but like, the heck? Oh, what the heck? Um, it's crazy how we can like all make that observation, but everyone's like ideal like world looks different. So there's like it's it's tough to like explain, but everyone's like ideal metric for someone's emotional IQ or like objective, like deductive reasoning or whatever, it looks different in every single case based off of like so many different factors that it's like, I think the one thing that's messing that whole thing up, that being a reality, is capitalism. Mm. The reason why people don't think objectively and live so impulsively is because of capitalism. And I'm not really like a like ban capitalism type of person. I'm just like being objective and being like the reason why people are in survival mode is because they don't have the opportunity to take a step back. What does this look like? What does this look like? Mm, 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 mm. What's going on right now is I need the ID. ID. Oh, crap. I need the ID. ID. The line is going to be. Whoa. I may have to handle this a little bit differently. Because this isn't, yeah, it's not done. This isn't done. Uh, uh-oh. Okay. So from here, the heck? User company ID. Auth service. Where does that say that in auth service? Oh. Oh, my bad. Is it exporting this? Hmm. Interesting. User company ID. User. Huh. Okay. I'll take it. Um. Cool. Company ID. Cool. In time. So say line. That ID. That ID. I think that's really all that I need right now. But I don't think I want this. The thing is, I don't think I want that. What I want is okay. So I'll make one, have this blah 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 today. Cool, cool. And then what would be the best? Actually, forget it. Maybe I'm overthinking it. Do this, something like that. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. Hmm? The heck just happened? Hmm. Boom. Oh. Ew. Let's do that. Listen, man, beggars can't be choosers, and I don't feel like messing with all these pixels right now. It's just like, namely, the this is a little bit like off centered. I'm losing my voice, and this sucks. Yes, I haven't even really been talking that much, and I feel like I'm losing my voice. This is kind of scary. Just doing a lot of changes. I haven't seen that word in so long. I forgot what it meant. I'm really that old. I forgot what it meant. Oh, oh, never mind. It's a good reason why I forgot what it meant. Never mind. How much more styling do you need? What are you even doing? Okay, wait. I'm just gonna put it on auto. I don't want to spoil it by like peeking. I want to wait until it's done so I can just tell it like, "Hey, this is trash. Redo it all over again. Why is my API not working now? Wow, this is very convenient. Thanks, Claude." What? I mean, it fixed it, but mm, mm, mm. Okay, this all makes sense. Why are my files so long? Mm-mm. I'll just end up with just long files. Really, the whole reason why my file is long now is because of these are right here, these, and this whole submission function. That's really the main reason why. But I'm still not really happy with this because I don't think this is how I want to handle changeovers. Like, practically, let's say, like if I'm changing, ooh, also, where am I submitting this at before I start doing anything crazy? Uh, okay, okay. And then from here, add doc, changeover notes. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. So I think I got kind of everything done, but I have to think about the actual user flow of this whole thing because, like, mm, 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 mm. This goes back to what I was changing right here. I don't like it because sometimes I'll start a changeover and not be able to finish it same day. So then I don't know how I will be able to like leave it or change it to like an active changeover, which is why I was thinking about like eliminating the end time. Mm. Eliminating the end time. Something about this isn't right. And I just don't know, like, I can't pinpoint it because, like, okay, I went from 210 to 190. If I want to do anything, like, huh. Sorry, it's gonna be a little bit boring and also doesn't make sense to other people that aren't experiencing this. So let me just like think for a minute because like my entire workflow is just like uh, this works, but is it? This sucks. Also, let me go back to my recipes page. Ooh, cool. I do have notes here. Okay, never mind. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because let me just think this out. I came from 210 to 190. I started, let's say for example, I'd start at this time. Cool. There's no telling when my end date would be. So then I need to make it so that let me just tell Claude to do it. I want to make it so that I can start a changeover and have it be active. Uh, that means I the line from product uh 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 from product to product and start time. I want to be able to add notes while the changeover is active whenever. I need to be able to. Mm, mm, Cause like, uh, let's see. Mm, thank you, me too. Thank you. I don't know. I'll try to stream. I'm probably gonna stream, but I'll stream relatively soon. So see you soon. Be safe, and yeah, keep on being you and spreading positive vibes. Later, later, later. Um. mm, 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 mm. Mm. Uh-oh. Well. Hmm. Okay. Let's see what it comes up with. 47, 34, 47. I don't think I'm gonna. Well, let's try it. Let's try it. Let's do it like that. Now, oh, where does it go? Where does it go? Hmm. 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 I mean, yes. Oh, this kind of sucks. I'm gonna have to just take it how it is right now. And I'll just iterate upon it later once I find something that I don't like in real time. But as of right now, this is basically it works. Let's one do this. Mm, It's active. Um, mm, there's that. That's really the only thing as far as like the form itself that I don't like. But if I have multiple changeovers that I'm doing at a time, I want to see different changeovers. And then in the future, I can have past changeovers like I have on the recipes page. I can do that. But I mean, we can do that. Let, let's try this again. Go there, do that. Start it. Uh-huh. Okay. Let me try to. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Mm-hmm. So when I save these notes, I don't want them necessarily to go away. Fine, I'll complete it. Completed at. Okay, okay. So everything goes well. Everything goes well. Um, yeah, I think I may be able to do this. Right now, I don't really need to do previous changeovers. Um, mm-hmm. NG build, and then Firebase deploy. Yeah. Well. Oh well. Cool. I think that's okay now. Huh. Well, I've been live for a pretty good while, so and I think I completed what I wanted to complete. At least like a first mock-up version of it. So we'll see how it goes in the future. And yeah. But I'm getting off work.